In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make vocal sound louder on Soundtrap. We'll start by getting into the Soundtrap studio, then I'll show you the simplest, safest way to raise your vocal level so it cuts through the mix without unwanted distortion. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Soundtrap website. This brings you to Soundtrap's homepage, where you can access their online music studio. On the top right, click Login. On the sign-in page, choose Login with Google. When the Google prompt appears, select your Google account to continue. After a moment, you'll be taken into your Soundtrap area. From here, click Studio to open the editor. Give it a second to load. Once the studio is open, locate the project that has your vocal in it and make sure you can see the track lanes. Find the vocal track you want to work on, then click it so it's selected. You'll notice that each track has controls on the left side of the screen. This is the track header where the volume control lives. Look for the volume knob or slider on the left of your vocal track. This control sets how loud that track is in relation to the rest of your project. To make your vocal louder, gradually increase the volume by dragging the slider up or turning the knob clockwise. Do this while the project is playing so you can immediately hear the change. Aim for small adjustments, then pause and listen to a few key moments in the song, especially the chorus or the loudest lines, so you don't accidentally overdo it. Keep an eye on the level meter for the vocal track as you adjust. If it starts hitting the very top or showing red, that's a sign you're pushing it too hard. Pull the volume back slightly until the peaks stay clear and the vocal remains crisp. A good rule of thumb is to make sure the loudest parts feel present and consistent without sounding harsh or crunchy. If your vocal sounds louder but suddenly masks other instruments, try nudging the control down a touch and listen again. The goal is to raise the vocal enough to be clearly heard while maintaining balance. Consider checking your mix on headphones and speakers, because what sounds perfect on one can feel too hot on another. That's it. You've logged into Soundtrap, opened Studio, selected your vocal track, and used the track's volume control to make the vocal louder in a clean, controlled way. Save your project, give it a final listen from start to finish, and enjoy a clearer, more confident vocal in your mix.